Take my advice. 2027 is the wrong year to buy a new car.
Now, does anybody want to explain to me why a brand new car is missing features that my 2013 Kia Optima has?
Quite frankly, I don't want to be doing this while I'm fucking driving.
Brand new cars are failing faster than ever, leaving owners frustrated and disappointed. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. A man compared his 2013 Kia Optima with new cars.
Now, does anybody want to explain to me why a brand new car is missing features that my 2013 Kia Optima has? As some of y'all may know, I've been car shopping for fucking about a year now? Yes, I still haven't bought a car because Papa's indecisive. But one of the things that I unfortunately learned in my car shopping endeavors is that a lot of these new cars don't even have good features inside of them. My 2013 Kia Optima, 13-year-old car, has a button that folds the mirrors, luxury, has heated and ventilated leather seats, luxury, and a little cherry on top. It has a nice heated leather steering wheel to keep Papa's gummies nice and warm during the New York City winter. You look at these new cars, $30,000, $40,000 cars. They don't have these fucking features. They don't have heated steering wheels, heated seats. If you expect us to drop the equivalent of a down payment on a house, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $50,000 being the average new car price in 2026, by the way, you better include some fucking $50,000 features. Don't make us, okay, $50,000 gets you the base model, but $60,000 gets you a heated steering wheel. Fuck you.
Drivers are complaining that everything is now hidden behind touchscreens with no physical buttons.
Quite frankly, I don't want to be doing this while I'm fucking driving. Like, where's my fucking buttons? No, you gotta go in a screen and hope you don't fucking veer off the road. Everything's a fucking touch screen, a fucking button. I'm so fucking tired of it. I'm so tired of it. And then you got these stupid ass fucking shifters. Like, what? This is where the wiper's supposed to go. This is not for a shifter. And then, where's the start button? Not here on a Volkswagen where it usually is. Not here like a normal car. Hidden. Hidden. Why?
This makes simple tasks dangerous while driving. A brand new car had its window explode just from closing the door in hot weather.
We got a first time for everything truck, fam. My salesman Jared was going to crank up this truck for a customer. He goes in, and I'll put the video in after this, and you know it's flipping hot when this actually happens. He cranks it up, closes the door, and I guess because of the heat, I don't know, the damn thing explodes. You can hear it in the video, which we'll post. That's when you know it's 111 degrees heat index, but literally just exploded, him closing the door. Factory window, nothing been tampered, no cracks, no issues, but that is a first time for everything. Absolutely wild.
Even luxury vehicles are showing dangerous quality control problems right after delivery.
My wife got a new car through her work. It's a brand new, it's got no miles on it, brand new 2025 or 2026, I imagine, Subaru Outback. And it's got the feature where it says, or it's the eyesight thing. So it's got a camera on the dash. If you veer off for 2 seconds, like if you look away like this, or if you're looking outside, I got mountains around us, right? So I'm looking at the mountains. It'll flash and beep and say, keep eyes on road. Changing my music on Spotify for 2 seconds and it's flashing saying, keep eyes on road. I get the idea of it, but this is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in a car.
So that's all I had in the car with me. So I put that on, and so far it hasn't been going off. So I'm assuming that's where those are at. So let's try something. All right, let me see. Okay, it hasn't tripped it. So apparently covering it up works and nothing came on. So there's that.
Many new cars now have multiple cameras watching the driver's eyes and recording activity.
Take my advice. 2027 is the wrong year to buy a new car. I keep telling y'all, AI is taking over and they just found a new way to watch everything that you do in your car. I told you before, in 2027, every new car that is made is required to have mandatory federal surveillance technology. You heard what I just said? Everything that you do in your car will be watched.
This Eye of Sauron technology raises serious privacy concerns for owners. An Audi RS6 broke down on a hill, going into neutral with multiple error lights and parking brake failure.
Like, this entire fucking thing is broken. I'm going down the hill and I see it go into neutral. I didn't touch this at all. And now it is completely broken. Watch, if I start up something, I'm on a hill, by the way, so I tried to put the emergency brake on. Look at this. Everything is broken. Look at how many error lights there are. Look at this. Parking brake malfunction. I can't put it into park. Can't start the car. It just goes from the electrical on and off. Because it can't go into park because this is either broken. Keep in mind, this car is under warranty. I just picked it up and it literally broke in the middle of me driving and just shut down. Gas stopped working. Everything stopped working. So, looking like the RS6 is gonna have to get towed. I was literally waiting to make like a week in the life of the RS6 to give an update on it. And, it's fucking broken. All Audi roadside assistance or AAA or some shit. And let's hope that they can fix it relatively quickly.
The owner was left shocked as the car completely shut down while under warranty.
It's crazy to me. This is a Toyota Corolla 10 years ago. Look at this thing. It had one screen, one little screen, and it has everything a modern car needs to have. It's got the stuff on the steering wheel so you don't have to touch the radio, but it still has a volume knob, still has a way to change the radio station, and physical AC controls. I look at a Toyota Corolla 10 years later. Now, this isn't the base model as you see, it has leather seats. But look at the fundamental difference now. Now the screen looks like it's just an afterthought. It's up there on the dash. It's not integrated to anything. They at least did keep physical climate controls, but now you only get one volume knob. You don't get anything else to change the channel. You have to touch the screen. And the last one had a lot of buttons, but now look at this, all these buttons, right? Because now you have all this driver aids, driver assists. It even has auto high beams. It's just so funny that even like basically a base model car like a Toyota Corolla could have so much more technology now in it. It's absolutely wild. And they're not going to last like the old ones, right? Because there's so much more to break here versus the old one.
A brand new BMW X3 rental was full of cheap plastic with no proper features.
Okay, so we got this brand new X3 as a rental for 3 days. And let me just show y'all the fall off. First off, look at this thing. What do they do? Why does it look like this? I know it's a base model, but in general, why does it look like this? There's no reason for it to look like this. It looks stupid. Let me show you the interior. Cheap plastic. Cheap plastic. Headliner material. Bro. Cheap plastic. This moves. Cheap plastic. Oh, you want to move your vents? Whatever this little thingy is. Oh, main part of this dash. Nope. Cheap plastic. Oh, your vents? Oh my god, absolute cheap plastic. What is that? It looks like a toaster. Speakers? Non-existent. Plastic, 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 plastic. Oh, your lights? Cheap plastic. Scratchy plastic on the seat backs. Scratchy plastic on the headrest. On the back of the headrest. It used to be leather all around. This does not light up like the front. The front one is like clear plastic. Nope. Just normal plastic, no ambient lighting. Old X3, ambient lighting here. A couple others light up. The thing lights up right here. Lights from the ceiling. This one, you get one light right in there. That's it. Oh, and the sunroof doesn't open. Why?
This is disappointing build quality from a premium brand. If you've had a bad experience with a new car, tell me in the comments right now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more brutal truths. See you in the next one.